Hello, 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 hello. It's video time. All right, you guys, I'm going to talk to you all about theme and universal theme. This was a special requested video from one of your peers. All right, so theme and universal theme. Clickety clack. There we go. All right, here's our learning target for today. I can determine a theme of a text and analyze complex characters' development. Well, we've been talking about a complex character. We've been talking about its development. We know that a complex character is a character just like us that have lots of motivations, conflicts, and its motivation and its conflicts create events or it helps to advance the plot. And we just learn from the complex character. All right, so when we're talking about theme, we know that theme is an underlying meaning of literature. What is the meaning of this text? What is the author saying to us about life? What is the moral of the story? What is the teaching that we can see through human experience? We know that the characters usually learn the lessons based on their experience. And that is what we use to determine the lesson, the theme. What did the character learn from this experience? Universal theme is something that we can apply to any person in the whole planet, the whole universe, the whole galaxy, any living thing. And this message, this meaning, this moral can apply to any story that has the same topic or a topic of discussion. How can we determine a theme? 4 easy steps. The first thing is determine who is a complex character. Please excuse me. Who is a complex character? Well, we know that one complex character is the who. That's right, the protagonist. So if we want to follow the protagonist, we can always follow the protagonist because that is our main complex character. We can also look at other characters in the text to see what did they learn? What did they learn? And then we're going to ask ourselves, what topic did he or she learn? That's okay. You okay, baby? What topic did he or she learn as a result of the conflict, the interactions, the events that they went through, that they took part in? And then we're going to ask ourselves, or we're going to answer, what did they learn about this particular topic? What did they learn? So, who's a complex character? What is the topic that they learned when we're looking at an experience? And what did they learn about that topic? And then we're just going to turn that lesson into a theme statement. We've all seen Beauty and the Beast, or at least I hope you did. Belle is the protagonist here. She has to go and basically stay with the Beast, and she eventually falls in love with the Beast. Well, the topic that she learned about is superficial beauty. Superficial is basically, I'm going to paraphrase it, it's things that do not go beneath the surface. It's like face value. So she learned about superficial beauty. She learned that you got to look beyond superficial surface, because beauty is what's in the heart, right? It's what's in the heart that matters. I know you guys are like, boy, he gotta be fine, she gotta look good, because I ain't trying to date no mud duck. Okay, we understand that. You feel that way now, but trust me, when you get older, you're going to realize that it's the heart that matters. So if we were to take that topic, superficial view, or superficial beauty, and we want to turn it into a lead to statement, we could say that a superficial view of the world can lead to someone missing out on true happiness. Well, if Belle only was caught up in looks, she would have missed her Prince Charming. She wouldn't have had no castle. Okay. All right, so theme example number two. This is Penelope, and we know that Penelope is Odysseus' wife, right? So where is Penelope while he is on his journey? She's at home. 20 years. She is at she's at Ithaca, waiting for him to come home. You want to talk about bringing patience to a whole new level? Could you imagine waiting for something or someone for 20 years? So while he's going through his ordeal, Penelope is also going through her ordeal. So what are we learning about her? We're learning about being loyal or being patient or being dedicated, right? Because she's dedicated to Odysseus. And later on you will see that there were a lot of men that called them suitors. They were there trying to get with old Penelope. They want to be king of Ithaca because the king isn't there, and they want to be king. So what lesson did we learn from her? Well, because she is loyal, she waits on Odysseus to return home. So we could say that loyalty leads to patience, right? Or without patience and dedication, one may find it difficult to remain loyal. There you have it. This is your quick mini lesson on theme. So we're going to go back to your steps. You got to find a complex character. Ask yourself, what topic are they learning about through this experience that they're going through? So that means you're going to have to analyze that text. You're going to have to look at the conflict. You're going to have to look at the events. You're going to have to look at their interactions. And then you're going to have to decide, okay, what is this? What's really happening? What is a topic that I see here? And then you're going to turn that topic into a lesson. We talked about it before. We talked about it with the Lotus Eaters. We even talked about it briefly when Odysseus ties himself to a pole so that he can hear the siren's song. What does it say about him and that experience? Alrighty, you will have another video posted, if not tonight, tomorrow, and we're going to talk about author's craft, because next week we are going to start writing. So what I need for you to do is to make sure that you have read all of the episodes from book 1, because we are going to go into book 2, and I'm going to send those to you tonight, and we should have the Odyssey finished by Monday. See you all tomorrow.